let's have a look at the most important button on this remote control, the OK button. As you can see, the shaft has been broken and I have replaced it with a toothstick. So this is the OK or Enter button. This Learn remote has got 7 buttons.
In Rafah, we need to go through strategically in a way that no other army has done in the history.
American advantage is that we're true to the US from a higher level of collaboration and cooperation with China, not surrendering any vital American interest, not for a moment to give in to China's sometimes assertive.
After connecting and reinforcing, the permanent coffer dam